Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Vortex Hair Care Wand, a high-frequency device that claims to stimulate your scalp and turn your head into a lush forest. It sounds amazing, provided you believe every miracle cure you see while scrolling at 2 a.m. To be fair, the product has actually been featured on outlets like Medium and Tech Bullion, providing real proof of its existence instead of just hallucinating a media presence like some other brands. They even share videos of professionals demonstrating how the wand works, because nothing says trustworthy like a person in a lab coat waving a glowing stick at your follicles. But before you throw your wallet at the screen, let's look at the science behind the 200% result boost they're promising. I didn't realize hair could do math, and apparently, neither does the company, as there's no actual study to back that number up. They also mention a special ingredient called Sephora fulvescence, which sounds less like a medical breakthrough and more like a rejected name for a luxury candle. Despite claims of being clinically tested and recommended by estheticians, the solid evidence is about as easy to find as a polite person on a comment thread. The marketing tactics are where things get truly desperate, featuring enough countdown timers and limited-time pop-ups to give a monk a panic attack. Real brands usually don't need to pressure you like a used car salesman in a digital suit. Yet here we are with free gifts and claims of saving hundreds of dollars. On their own website, they boast a 4.8-star rating with over 2,300 reviews and, shocker, not a single one-star complaint. Apparently, in their world, perfection is mandatory and criticism is a myth. If we step outside their bubble and check Trustpilot, we find a much more grounded 3.3-star rating. While some users claim it's better than a prescription, others have had a lovely time dealing with non-existent customer service and refunds that move slower than a snail on a coffee break. The final verdict? The Vortex wand is a risky bet wrapped in aggressive sales tactics. If you're thinking about buying it, approach with extreme caution and a healthy dose of skepticism. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.